Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, we are from Group H. We will present the result of a group discussion with control techniques. Next, as for the member of the Group H, Sarah Arifin and my friends Auliananda Azara. Definition: which are plants that grow in area that are not desert, that is growing in the plants area, which by direct nor no direct detrimental to cultivate plants, which could detrimental to cultivate plants because complete in getting nutrients, light, sun, and water. Type growing with usually according to plantation coordinates. For example, a new plantation process, then which found mostly with annual. Well, on plantation that have been planted for a long time, a lot of which there is type yearly, which for found on the plant stall relative difference from this thus that grow in the area plant low in high area seen existence trends increase diversity species. Well, the number of individual usually no so big. The opposite happen in the area low. The type of individual is very abundant, but existing type no so a lot. Next. Analysis vegetation. Analysis vegetation is a method learn arrangement and or composition vegetation by from or structure vegetation. Element structure vegetation is from growth, stratification, and closure header. For purpose analysis vegetation requires the data type, diameter, and height to determine index. Marks important from composer community that with analysis vegetation called obtains information quantitative about structure and composition something plants community vegetation no only getting from individual plants but shape something unity where the individual edge other depends on edge other called as something community vegetation. Next. Example types with grass. With grass generally originates from the gramineous family Poaceae. With these have narrow leaf like a basil but have stolen in the soil stolen from network complicate difficult overcome by mechanic run rod of rather flat mostly hollow with suggest with group riddle including in family Cypercase. With this on power very good all to control mechanic because on to rod inside capable land and under one characteristic from which this is stem generally shaped triangle something also round and usually no hollow left arranged in the third row no on tongues left with broadleaf, with generally including the family Dicotyledon and Patriotophyta, which this usually grow at the end of the cultivation period. Competition to plants cultivation in the form of competition like characteristic from which this is left with bone left shut net with fair with fern in one from type which own benefit for close surface land contrast with a number of type another with this grow no to fast and no to cause many loss. Next.
Control width by era. One era of primitive methods, namely manually, for example, pull out widths by hand in Indonesian. 2. Y era more forward, namely by mechanician. 3. The era of revolution by the Y chemistry. Production increased significant, including consequent repair varieties, plant nutrition, and aspect plants. Control technique widths. Preventive. By cleaning plant sets from contamination, set width. Eradicate weeds on the site, river, and canal irrigation. Prevent use fertilizer, immature check, clean cattle that will transport. Control width by physics. Processing land use tools such as hoes, harrow, plow, and tractors. Slicing or trimming effective to turn of wet year and is relatively less effectively wet yearly. Flooding by flooding 15 for 25 centimeter depth for 3 for 8 weeks. Burning can turn off insect and other pests as will as disease such as fungi and bacteria. Giving molds cold prevent like sun no until too wet, so no cold to do photosynthesis. Control width by biological. Use other organisms such as insects, fungi, and bacteria, so on. Control width by chemical. Control width by use herbicide. Compound chemical that can use to turn off or push guard with fine by selective or non-selective. Control width by integrate. Control width by integrate ally among a number of method control in one season plan. Example, fusion among control by mechanic, continue with giving herbicide post-grow, use herbicide pre-grow. Determination, decision, implementation, control by integration is critical to its success. Combination in the right mix will give maximum result in controlling with. Thanks.
Thank you very much. So many presentation that we can convey. If there is and mistakes, we apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.